Hello guys, you remember I had in Manila chicken arroz? That was nothing, man. Now I have my own arroz, chicken arroz, arroz caldo I mean. Chicken wings, carrots, sayuti, lettuce, garlic, look at that, an egg. I put some egg here. Yeah, there are eggs, 2 eggs there. Yeah, look at that, man. That's my chicken arroz, my own recipe. You know where I cook? It's a used rice cooker, man. I didn't throw it away. Look at that. It could be, business. You could do business with this. And you will earn a lot of money with this in the Philippines. Okay guys, thank you for watching.